to run Google Ads for website traffic in 2024. Get 10x traffic with Google Ads. In this video, we'll show you the best practices and strategies to get 10x traffic with Google Ads. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why Google Ads is so powerful. Google Ads allows you to reach your target audience with precision. With billions of searches happening daily, it's the perfect platform to drive traffic to your website. Step 1. Keyword research. Start with thorough keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition. Focus on long-tail keywords as they are more specific and often have better conversion rates. Step 2. Creating compelling ad copy. Your ad copy should be engaging and relevant. Highlight the benefits of your product or service and include a strong call to action. Make sure to use ad extensions to provide additional information and increase your ad's visibility. Step 3. Targeting the right audience. Use Google's targeting options to reach your ideal audience. You can target by demographics, interests, location, and even device. Take advantage of remarketing to re-engage visitors who have previously interacted with your website. Step 4. Optimizing landing pages. Ensure your landing pages are optimized for conversions. They should be relevant to the ad, load quickly, and have a clear call to action. Step 5. Setting a budget and bidding strategy. Set a realistic budget based on your goals and choose a bidding strategy that aligns with your objectives. Whether it's CPC, cost per click, or CPA, cost per acquisition, monitor your campaigns regularly to optimize for the best performance. Step 6. Tracking and analyzing performance. Use Google Analytics and Google Ads reports to track your campaign performance. Look at metrics like click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, and return on ad spend, ROAS. Adjust your campaigns based on this data to improve results. Step 7. Continuous optimization. Google Ads is not a set-and-forget-it platform. Continuously optimize your campaigns by testing new keywords, ad copy, and targeting options. Regularly review your performance and make data-driven decisions to enhance your traffic. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can harness the power of Google Ads to drive significant traffic to your website in 2024. Remember, success with Google Ads requires patience, experimentation, and consistent optimization.